Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely training video. In this one, we're going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on Chipotle, ticker CMG. So to get straight into the analysis, what are going to be the resistance levels going forward that we can see? So at around $1,695, we're going to have our second deviation resistance on the daily. So coming into this level, we would expect at a minimum a pullback, but that could overall be the reversal point for Chipotle. However, if it does continue up even further, then around 1,750 would be our third deviation on the 4 hour, and again that would be a strong resistance line where we would most likely see that reversal if it hasn't happened already. And then if it pushes even higher, around 1900, we then got the fourth deviation on the 4 hour and the third deviation on the daily at this level. So again, another strong resistance if we were to continue higher, with the final level being around 2100 on the daily, because that is the fourth deviation, and again would be another strong resistance. But where we are currently sitting now, which is around $1,600, we would be definitely looking or paying more attention to these $1,695 level and the $1,750 level, because these are obviously close to where we are. We do also have a half deviation coming into around 1680, but as it's so close to that whole deviation, we may do small size here if we were, for example, looking to short, but really we would tend to take the bulk of the trade coming into the real whole deviation, because it's just going to be a lot stronger. So we can actually see on the day, obviously volume isn't as strong on something like Chipotle, but really coming into this level, it's where you're just seeing the overall move just slowing down here. It's all quite quick, and now we're just chopping around, and that will probably be even more clear when you're coming into this full deviation. Now in Chipotle, if we start falling in price, what are going to be some support levels? So coming into around $1,610, that's going to be our first deviation, second deviation on the 4 hour support. Going even lower, 1,485, again another support level, with a very close one below being around $1,470. So these are going to be our key support levels going down if we're looking for maybe potential small bounce plays, or if you think the stock's going to continue up, these are areas where if the stock pulls back to, we could be looking to buy. Now, if we are holding the stock short and we want kind of a final target, that if we're looking to hold kind of for maximum profit, really we would be looking for a potential move down to around $1,300, and even before that is that statistical mean, and that's usually what you expect these stocks to do, reverse to their statistical mean. And that is all standard deviation is. You're just seeing how far a stock can divert from its mean, and then you expect it to push back to it. So that's why we usually say these are levels where we expect selling pressure to come in, because we expect it to push back towards its mean coming into these high pressure levels. And we expect the same thing when it comes down to these bottom deviation, buying pressure to push it back to its mean. But that is the main breakdown on CMG. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Hope to see you next one, and that's it. Peace.
Maybe I'm crazy.